You've been annoying people. I know that stings, but here's what nobody tells you. After 30 plus years of reading rooms and raising families and rebuilding after setbacks, you already own the one thing that closes the sales. And it doesn't have anything to do with your script. So stop pitching your business and start using what you already have. Most of us grew up watching the hard sell. Infomercials, cold calls, pushy pitches. When we go online, we default to the same playbook. But here's the thing, and you already know, it doesn't work. Everyone can smell it coming. Your prospect sees the pitch forming 3 sentences before you deliver it, and they're already scrolling. Instead, get to know people first. Find out what they actually need. That alone puts you miles ahead of every desperate pitch cluttering their feed. Now, here's where your age becomes your unfair advantage. That gut instinct you've built over decades, knowing when someone is frustrated, scared about money, or just needs to feel heard. That's a trust gap no 25-year-old with a marketing degree can fake. They can study persuasion frameworks all day long. You have lived them. You've sat across from a teenager who won't talk. You've navigated a layoff with a mortgage hanging over your head. You've read a room and figured out exactly who needed what before a word was spoken. That is the closer, not a script. And when you lead with genuine curiosity instead of a rehearsed script, something shifts. People stop running. They start asking you questions. That's when sales happen without feeling like sales. And you never have to dread hitting post again. By the way, if you want to put that trust you've been a lifetime building to work inside a real business, check out the Turnkey Residual Income System at julieungeronline.com. It pays up to $128 per customer in a done-for-you system that handles the selling for you, so you never have to pitch. Links in the description below.